NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit with Xylitol has antibacterial and other beneficial properties that may help nasal and sinus inflammation from allergies and infection. This video will guide you through how to use the NeilMed Sinus Rinse Kit with Xylitol safely and correctly. Before beginning, make sure your hands are clean. To begin, fill the bottle to the line with lukewarm distilled, previously boiled, or commercially bottled water. Add 1 pre-mixed packet with xylitol. Screw on the cap and shake to dissolve. Lean forward over a sink or bowl and place the nozzle into one nostril. Gently squeeze to allow the solution to flow through one nostril and out the other. Gently blow your nose and repeat on the other side.